Hello, third class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So, students, today we are going to do block 5. This is your block 5 and this is your content book, social science. Now, student, this is your block 5, neighborhood and school. Now, student, what will we learn about in this chapter? What will we learn? First of all, different places in a neighborhood, different people in a neighborhood. After that, importance of school. Today we will learn about the neighborhood. First of all, we will read the story Mina's neighborhood. When Mina woke up, she heard the milkman ring the bell to give some milk to her mother. जब मीना उठी तब उसने देखा कि उसने साउंड सुनी, जो मिल्कमैन है, दूध वाला आता है आपके घर में, वो रिंग कर रहा था बेल एंड गिव सम मिल्क टू हर मदर. और वो क्या करने आया था, वो उसकी मम्मा को उसने थोड़ा सा मिल्क दिया. शी क्विकली गॉट रेडी फॉर स्कूल. और मीना स्कूल के लिए रेडी हो गई. एंड शी वॉज गोइंग इन हर स्कूल बस. शी सा different people in her neighborhood. In the neighborhood, Meena saw different people in the neighborhood. Neighborhood क्या होता है? Neighborhood is a place or area around the place or area where we live. Okay, जहाँ हम रहते हैं ना, उसके आसपास का एरिया होता है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Neighborhood. A policeman was standing outside the police station. Meena saw a policeman was standing outside the police station. A doctor was just entering his clinic. डॉक्टर कहाँ पे बैठता है? क्लिनिक में. और वो एंटर कर रहा था अपने क्लिनिक में. Then she saw a postman with his bag of letters on his way to different houses. और postman क्या होता है? वो लेटर की डिलीवरी करता है. तो वो डिफरेंट हाउसेस में जाकर लेटर देता है. और मीना ने देखा, पोस्टमैन को देखा. As she reached her school, she saw a shopkeeper selling different things in the shop. और शॉपकीपर क्या करता है? डिफरेंट थिंग्स को सेल करता है. In school, Meena greeted the gardener who was watering the plants. गार्डनर क्या करता है? प्लांट्स को की टेक केयर करता है और उनको वाटर देता है. तो मीना ने उसको विश किया. ग्रीटेड क्या होता है? विश करना. जैसे आप गुड मॉर्निंग और गुड आफ्टरनून विश करते हो ना, इसी तरह से मीना ने उसको विश किया. ऑन रीचिंग हर क्लास, शी ग्रीटेड हर फ्रेंड्स एंड गॉट रेडी टू लर्न अबाउट different things from her teachers. So student, this is a little story of Meena's neighborhood. Now student, tell me who are the different people in Meena's neighborhood. People in Meena's neighborhood. People in Meena's neighborhood. Who are the people in Meena's neighborhood? Policeman. और कौन था? Doctor. So we write down here doctor. और कौन था? Now look at this. Policeman, doctor, and who? Postman. है ना? Postman भी तो था ना? Postman. And teacher. These are the people these are the people live in Meena saw their neighborhood. These are the people: policeman, doctor, postman, teacher. These are the people. So these are the people in Mina's neighborhood. What do they do? Policeman. What is the work of policeman? Policeman क्या करता है? Protect people. प्रोटेक्ट करता है ना पीपल को थीव से और अदर चीज़ों से. और एंड व्हाट इज़ द पुलिसमैन? स्प्लाइज क्या करता है पोस्टमैन? स्प्लाई करता है लेटर्स को. स्प्लाइंग लेटर्स. डिफरेंट हाउस में जाकर स्प्लाई करता है लेटर्स को. और टीचर क्या करता है? टीच अस. हमें पढ़ाता है ना टीचर. टीच अस. और क्या करता है? डॉक्टर टेक केयर. जो सिक पीपल होते हैं उनकी टेक केयर करता है डॉक्टर. ओके. एंड मीना अ मिल्क मैन आल्सो. और मिल्क मैन का वर्क क्या है? सप्लाई क्या करता है वो? सप्लाई मिल्क सप्लाई करता है. So these are the work of these people. Policeman protect people, postman supplies letter, teacher teaches us, and doctor take care of sick people. When we ill, we go to the doctor, and doctor treat the patient. Patient होता है उनकी टेक केयर करता है और उनको इलनेस से बचाता है. तो these are the work the different people do, different type of work. Now student, tell me what is a neighborhood? क्या होता है neighborhood? A neighborhood is an area or place. Neighborhood is the area or place area around the place where we live. Area or place where we live. Where we live. Neighborhood is the area or place where we live. Now students, who all are a part of neighborhood? Who all are a part of neighborhood? The people who live around us, around our home or around us, are a part of neighborhood. Part of our neighborhood. There are some important people live in our neighborhood like policeman, doctor, policeman, doctor, policeman, doctor, shopkeeper, gardener, cobbler. There are policeman, doctor, cobbler, shopkeeper, gardener, cleaner, electrician or teacher. These are the important people that live around or that lives in our neighborhood. These people help us different way. Policeman क्या करता है? Policeman guard us. We buy things from shopkeeper and for our daily needs. Teacher teaches us. Gardener take care of our garden. Electrician take care of our electricity. When electricity has gone, we call the electrician. Now these are the people, they help us in different ways. Now student, tell me what would happen if a shopkeeper was not present in the neighborhood or an electrician. अगर electrician भी नहीं होगा और shopkeeper नहीं होगा तो what would happen there? If there is a no shopkeep, not if the shopkeeper is not there in our neighborhood, we would not be able to buy things for our daily use like food, toothpaste, shop. And if the fan or TV in our home stops working, then we call for an electrician who help repair the things. If he is not there, then these things will not get repaired. अगर हमारा फैन ख़राब हो जाए तो हम इलेक्ट्रिशियन को कॉल करते हैं ना. अगर इलेक्ट्रिशियन ही नहीं होगा तो कौन उसको रिपेयर करेगा. सो देर these are the important. Shopkeeper is also important and electrician is also important. They do different type of work. Now student, tell me, how is a doctor dependent on a school teacher, and how is a school teacher dependent on a doctor? So student, let's discuss. A doctor needs a school teacher. Doctor need a school teacher to teach him or his children, and a school teacher needs to see a doctor when he or she is ill. Both need each other. अगर टीचर बीमार हो जाएगा तो वो किसके पास जाएगा? डॉक्टर के पास. और डॉक्टर अपने चिल्ड्रंस को किसके पास लेके जाएगा? डॉक्टर्स के जो चिल्ड्रन हैं उनको कौन टीच करेगा? टीचर. सो दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर. So student, after watching this video you have to complete your S1. Now student, look at this. This is your S1. My neighborhood. Who are the people in the picture? Here are two people and you have to write down who is the people in this picture and who is the people in this picture. You write down the name of these people here. Important people in neighborhood. You have to write down the important people in their neighborhood and how they help us. For example, policeman, doctor, और वो कैसे हेल्प करते हैं वो यहाँ पे आपको राइट करना है. How is a milkman dependent on a cobbler, and how is a cobbler dependent on a milkman? तो आपको राइट करना है कि डिपेंड कैसे है मिल्कमैन कोबलर पे. अब कोबलर है जो वो क्या करता है? शूज़ मेक करता है. और मिल्कमैन है वो मिल्क सप्लाई करता है. तो कोबलर मिल्कमैन के अगर शूज़ रिपेयर करवाने तो वो किसके पास जाने वाला है? कोबलर के पास. और अगर कोबलर को मिल्क चाहिए तो वो किसके पास जाएगा? मिल्कमैन के पास. सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर. After watching this video you have to complete your S1.